across the heart of Central Europe lies a land where royal ambition, timeless architecture, and centuries of history come together in stone and silence. Poland stands as a kingdom of memory and majesty, where every palace echoes with the legacy of kings, the rise of empires, and the resilience of a nation rebuilt from its past. From golden halls of royal courts to grand castles that survived wars and time itself, each monument holds a story carved into its walls. Welcome to Dynamic Expeditions. I'm Aditya, and this is episode 145, Top 10 Grand Palaces of Poland Polish Crown European Castle. And now, let's begin this Royal Palaces episode. Sparkle's Polish Crown European Castle. Today's 10th Poland's magical palace is European Castle Kozłowska Palace Polish. Sparkle's magical introduction. Hidden among peaceful forests and elegant French-style gardens, Kozłowska Palace is one of Poland's most enchanting royal residences. Its magnificent halls, luxurious interiors, and timeless beauty make it feel like a royal masterpiece frozen in time. European Castle description, history and architecture. Built between 1735 and 1742, Kozłowska Palace later became the prestigious home of the Zamoyski family. Designed in a beautiful blend of Baroque, Rococo, and Neo-Baroque architecture, it features crystal chandeliers, antique furniture, marble fireplaces, priceless artwork, and elegant French gardens. Remarkably, the palace survived World War II with most of its original interiors still preserved. Fun facts. Sparkle's one of Europe's best preserved aristocratic palace complexes. Sparkle's original furniture and decorations remain beautifully intact. Sparkle's home to Poland's largest gallery of socialist realism art. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Camera with flash captured the palace from the front gardens during golden hour. Movie camera walked through the tree-lined entrance avenue and explored the estate in 3 to 4 hours. Cherry blossom visit between May and September for the best weather and photography. 3 o'clock opening hours, best time of the day, best time to visit. 10 o'clock Tuesday, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Wednesday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Saturday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Crossmark closed Mondays. Sunrise best time, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Cherry blossom best season. May-September. Admission ticket prices. Man adults 60 PLN 1380 rupees, children 40 PLN 920 rupees, oldermen senior citizens 50 PLN 1150 rupees. Money back average travel costs. Budget 180 to 250 PLN day, 4,100 rupees to 5,700 rupees, mid-range 350 to 500 PLN day, 8,000 rupees to 11,500 rupees, luxury 800 plus PLN day, 400 plus. Train transport. Airplane fly to Lublin Airport, then take a train to Lublin Glony, 60 to 90 PLN 1,380 rupees to 2,070 rupees. Continue by regional bus, 12 to 20 PLN 275 rupees to 460 rupees, taxi, 120 to 160 PLN 2,760 rupees to 3,680 rupees. Or rental car, 180 to 320 PLN day, 4,100 rupees to 7,400 rupees. From the parking area, the palace is just a 5-minute walk away. Clapperboard coming up next. Crown today's 9th Poland's magical palace is Rogalin Palace. Today's 9th Poland's magical palace is European Castle Rogalin Palace. Sparkle's magical introduction. Hidden among centuries-old oak trees and elegant Baroque gardens, Rogalin Palace is a royal masterpiece where history, luxury, and nature come together. Its magnificent halls and timeless beauty make it one of Poland's most magical hidden palaces. European castle description, history and architecture. Located about 20 kilometers south of Poznan, Rogalin Palace was built between 1768 and 1776 by Kazimierz Raksinski and later became the residence of the famous Raksinski family. Designed in a magnificent blend of late Baroque and early neoclassical architecture, it features crystal chandeliers, antique furniture, royal portraits, elegant halls, and beautiful French gardens surrounded by more than 2,000 ancient oak trees. Fun facts: Rogalin Palace houses one of Poland's largest collections of European paintings. Some of its legendary oak trees are over 700 years old, and the estate also features a historic carriage house with beautifully restored royal carriages. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Capture the palace from the front courtyard for the best panoramic view and visit during the golden hour for magical lighting. Spend 3 to 4 hours exploring the palace, gardens, carriage museum and the famous oak park. 3 o'clock opening hours. Best time of the day, best time to visit. The palace is generally open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., extending to 5 p.m. during summer and remains closed on Mondays. Visit between 9 a.m. and 11 a.m., especially from May to October, for the best experience. Admission ticket prices. Man adults 20 PLN 460 rupees, children students 13 PLN 300 rupees, older men seniors 15 PLN 345 rupees. Money back average travel costs. Budget travelers spend around 180 to 250 PLN day, 4,100 rupees to 5,700 rupees. While mid-range trips cost 350 to 500 PLN day, 8,000 rupees to 11,500 rupees. Luxury travel starts from 800 plus PLN day, 400 plus. Train transport. Fly into Poznan Lavica Airport, about 25 kilometers away. From Poznan Glony, take a train or regional bus, 10 to 90 PLN 230 rupees to 2070 rupees, a taxi, 90 to 140 PLN 2070 rupees to 3220 rupees, or rent a car, 180 to 320 PLN day 4100 rupees to 7400 rupees. The palace entrance is just a 5 to 8 minute walk from the parking area. Clapper board coming up next. Crowned today's 8th Poland's magical palace is Nyboro Palace.
Today's 8th Poland's majestic palace is Nyboro Palace. Nestled in the peaceful Polish countryside, Nyboro Palace is a magnificent Baroque masterpiece filled with royal elegance, priceless artwork, and centuries of aristocratic history. Built between 1690 and 1696 for Cardinal Michael Stefan Radziejowski, the palace later became the residence of the powerful Radziwiłł family. Designed by Dutch architect Tilman van Gameren, it features grand halls, elegant royal apartments, crystal chandeliers, antique furniture, marble fireplaces, a historic library, and beautiful European paintings. Fun fact: much of the palace's original aristocratic furniture and artwork has been preserved for more than 300 years, while its authentic interiors have also appeared in historical film and television productions. Camera with flash. The main courtyard and front lawn offer spectacular photography views, especially during golden hour. Don't miss nearby Arcadia Romantic Park with its lakes, bridges, temples, and classical ruins. Allow around 3 to 4 hours to explore both locations. 3 o'clock the palace is generally open Tuesday to Sunday 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. with Mondays closed. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. is ideal for softer light and fewer crowds, while May to October is the best season to visit. Admission tickets cost around 35 PLN, 896 rupees. For adults, 25 PLN, 640 rupees, for children and students, and 28 PLN, 717 rupees, for seniors. Money back daily travel costs range from 180 to 260 PLN, 4,610 rupees to 6,660 rupees, for budget travelers to 850 plus PLN, to 760 plus, for luxury travelers. Train from Warsaw, take a train to Lowicz-Główny, costing around 30 to 50 PLN, 768 rupees to 1,280 rupees, then continue by taxi for approximately 35 to 50 PLN, 896 rupees to 1,280 rupees. Buses and rental cars are also available. Clapperboard coming up next. Today's 7th Poland's majestic palace is Branicki Palace. Today's 7th Poland's majestic palace is Branicki Palace. Known as the Versailles of Podlasie, Branicki Palace is a breathtaking Baroque masterpiece in the heart of Białystok, surrounded by magnificent French-style gardens, fountains, sculptures, and colorful flower beds. Originally built in the late 17th century, the palace was magnificently expanded in the 18th century by Jan Clemens Branicki, who transformed it into one of the grandest Baroque residences in Central Europe. Its late Baroque and Rococo architecture features ceremonial halls, marble staircases, crystal chandeliers, elegant apartments, richly decorated ceilings, and priceless paintings. Fun facts: the palace gardens were inspired by Versailles, earning Branicki Palace its famous nickname. Despite suffering damage during World War II, the palace was carefully restored and today serves as the home of the Medical University of Białystok, while its gardens and museum continue welcoming visitors. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Capture the palace from the main courtyard, explore the central garden pathways and fountains, and visit during golden hour for beautiful warm lighting. May to September is ideal for colorful gardens, while weekday mornings offer fewer crowds. Allow around 2-3 hours to explore comfortably. 3 o'clock the palace is generally open Tuesday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday to Sunday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with Mondays closed. 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. is ideal for soft light and fewer visitors. Admission tickets are approximately 35 PLN, 805 rupees, for adults and 25 PLN, 575 rupees, for children, students, and seniors. Money back daily travel costs range from 180 to 260 PLN, 4,100 rupees to 6,000 rupees, for budget travelers to 850 plus PLN, 19,500 plus, for luxury travelers. From Warsaw, trains to Białystok railway station take around 2.5 hours and cost approximately 50 to 80 PLN, 1,150 rupees to 1,840 rupees. Buses take around 2.5-3 hours, costing 35 to 60 PLN, 805 rupees to 1,380 rupees. From Białystok station, a taxi takes around 8 to 10 minutes and costs approximately 20 to 35 PLN, 460 rupees to 805 rupees. Rental cars from Warsaw take around 2.5-3 hours, while the palace is only a 5 to 10 minute walk from Białystok Market Square. Clapperboard coming up next. Today's 6th Poland's majestic palaces. PS Sydney Palace. Today's 6th Poland's majestic palaces. PS Sydney Palace. Known as the Pearl of Upper Silesia, PSZNA Palace is a breathtaking royal residence in southern Poland, combining magnificent architecture, lavish interiors, and centuries of aristocratic history. Originally a 15th century medieval fortress, the palace was transformed into an elegant residence by the Hochberg family, princes of Ples, and extensively renovated in the late 19th century. Its Baroque, Neo-Baroque, and French Renaissance revival design features grand ceremonial halls, crystal chandeliers, luxurious apartments, antique furniture, marble fireplaces, priceless paintings, elegant mirrors, and richly decorated ceilings. Remarkably, much of its original royal interior has survived. Fun facts: during World War I, German Emperor Wilhelm II used the palace as one of his military headquarters. More than 80% of its original interiors have been preserved, while the surrounding PSZNA Park covers over 150 hectares with lakes, bridges, and centuries-old trees. Camera with flash for photography, capture the palace from the main courtyard, explore the historic park and lakes, and visit during golden hour for cinematic views. Allow around 3 to 4 hours to explore the palace museum, royal apartments, armory, and park. 3 o'clock. The palace is generally open Tuesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., with Mondays closed. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. is ideal for quieter galleries and soft lighting, while April to October offers the best overall experience. Admission tickets cost approximately 35 PLN, 805 rupees, for adults, 25 PLN, 575 rupees, for children and students, and 28 PLN, 645 rupees, for seniors. Money back daily travel costs range from 180 to 260 PLN, 4,100 rupees to 6,000 rupees, for budget travelers to 850 plus PLN, 19,500 plus, for luxury travelers. Train from Katowice. Trains to PSZNA railway station take around 30 to 40 minutes and cost approximately 15 to 30 PLN, 345 rupees to 690 rupees. Buses take around 45 to 60 minutes, costing 12 to 25 PLN, 275 rupees to 575 rupees. A taxi to the palace takes around 5 minutes and costs 15 to 25 PLN, 345 rupees to 575 rupees. Rental cars from Katowice take around 40 to 45 minutes, while the palace is roughly a 10-minute walk from PSZNA railway station. Clap aboard coming up next. Today's fifth Poland's majestic palaces. Wilano Palace. Today's fifth Poland's majestic palaces. Wilano Palace. Known as the Polish Versailles, Wilano Palace is one of Poland's most spectacular royal residences, combining golden Baroque architecture, magnificent gardens, and centuries of royal history. Commissioned in 1677 by King John III Sobieski as his summer residence, the palace remarkably survived Poland's partitions and both world wars. Its Baroque, Renaissance, and classical architecture features lavish royal apartments, grand ballrooms, richly decorated ceilings, marble fireplaces, priceless paintings, antique furniture, frescoes, and beautifully preserved gardens. Fun facts: Wilano is one of Poland's best-preserved royal residences. King John III Sobieski personally supervised parts of its design, and every winter the famous Royal Garden of Light transforms the gardens with spectacular illuminations. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Capture the palace from the main garden terrace and reflecting pool, explore the Baroque gardens, and visit during golden hour for cinematic lighting. May to September is ideal for blooming gardens, while winter offers the Royal Garden of Light. Plan around 3 to 4 hours for the palace, gardens, and galleries. 3 o'clock. The palace is generally open Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m., with Mondays closed. 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. offers fewer crowds and excellent photography conditions. May to September is best for gardens, while December to February is ideal for the light festival. Admission tickets are approximately 50 PLN, 1,150 rupees for adults, 35 PLN, 805 rupees for children and students, and 40 PLN, 920 rupees for seniors. Money back daily travel costs range from 200 to 300 PLN, 4,600 rupees to 6,900 rupees for budget travelers to 900 plus PLN, 700 plus for luxury travelers. Train from Warsaw, public buses reach Wilno in around 30 to 40 minutes, costing approximately 4 to 6 PLN, 90 rupees to 140 rupees. Taxis from Warsaw Chopin Airport or Warsawa Centralna take around 20 to 30 minutes, costing 40 to 70 PLN, 920 rupees to 1,610 rupees. Rental cars take around 20 to 25 minutes, while the palace is only a few minutes walk from the nearest bus stop. Clapper board coming up next. Today's Fort Poland's majestic palaces. Lajinki Palace. Today's Fort Poland's majestic palaces. Lajinki Palace, also known as the Palace on the Isle. Floating gracefully on a peaceful lake in the heart of Warsaw, Lajinki Palace is a breathtaking royal masterpiece surrounded by gardens, elegant bridges, and free-roaming peacocks. Originally built in the 17th century as a Baroque bathhouse, it was transformed in the late 18th century by King Stanislaw II Augustus into a magnificent neoclassical and Baroque summer residence. Its elegant interiors feature royal apartments, marble columns, grand ballrooms, crystal chandeliers, antique furniture, classical sculptures, and priceless works of art. Fun facts: Lajinki Royal Park covers nearly 76 hectares and was once home to the famous Thursday dinners, where artists, intellectuals, and philosophers gathered. Today, the park is also famous for its free-roaming peacocks and red squirrels. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Capture the palace from across the lake for its stunning reflection, explore the gardens and elegant bridges, and visit during sunrise or golden hour. April to October is ideal for flowers, fountains, wildlife, and outdoor events. Plan around 3 to 4 hours to explore the palace, gardens, amphitheater, monuments, and nearby museums. 3 o'clock The palace is generally open Tuesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., with Mondays closed. 9 to 11 a.m. offers peaceful gardens and excellent photography conditions. Admission tickets are approximately 50 PLN, 1,150 rupees for adults, 35 PLN, 805 rupees for children and students, and 40 PLN, 920 rupees for seniors. Money back daily travel costs range from 200 to 300 PLN, 4,600 rupees to 6,900 rupees for budget travelers to 900 plus PLN, 700 plus for luxury travelers. Train from Warsaw, buses from the city center reach Lajinki Royal Park in around 20 to 25 minutes, costing approximately 4 to 6 PLN, 90 rupees to 140 rupees. Taxis take around 15 to 20 minutes, costing 35 to 60 PLN, 805 rupees to 1,380 rupees. Rental cars take around 15 to 20 minutes, while the palace on the Isle is only a 5 to 10 minute walk from the nearest park entrance. Clapper board coming up next. Today's third Poland's most magical palaces. Chia's Castle. Today's third Poland's majestic palaces. Lajinki Palace, also known as the Palace on the Isle. Gracefully standing on a tranquil lake in the heart of Warsaw, Lajinki Palace is a breathtaking royal masterpiece surrounded by peaceful gardens, elegant bridges, and free-roaming peacocks. Originally built in the 17th century as a Baroque bathhouse, it was transformed in the late 18th century by King Stanislaw II Augustus into a magnificent summer residence. Its neoclassical and Baroque architecture features elegant royal apartments, marble columns, grand ballrooms, crystal chandeliers, antique furniture, classical sculptures, and priceless works of art. Fun facts: Lajinki Royal Park covers nearly 76 hectares and hosted the famous Thursday dinners, where artists, intellectuals, and philosophers gathered. Today, the park is also home to hundreds of free-roaming peacocks and red squirrels. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Capture the palace on the Isle from across the lake for its iconic reflection, explore the elegant bridges and gardens, and visit during sunrise or golden hour. April to October is ideal for flowers, fountains, wildlife, and outdoor events. Plan around 3 to 4 hours to explore the palace and park. 3 o'clock The palace is generally open Tuesday to Sunday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m, with Mondays closed. 9 to 11 a.m. offers peaceful gardens and excellent photography conditions. Admission tickets are approximately 50 PLN, 1,150 rupees, for adults, 35 PLN, 805 rupees, for children and students, and 40 PLN, 920 rupees, for seniors. Money back daily travel costs range from 200 to 300 PLN, 4,600 rupees to 6,900 rupees, for budget travelers to 900 plus PLN, 700 plus, for luxury travelers. Train from Warsaw, public buses reach Lajinki Royal Park in around 20 to 25 minutes, costing approximately 4 to 6 PLN, 90 rupees to 140 rupees. Taxis take around 15 to 20 minutes, costing 35 to 60 PLN, 805 rupees to 1,380 rupees. Rental cars take around 15 to 20 minutes, while the palace on the Isle is just a 5 to 10 minute walk from the nearest park entrance. Clap aboard coming up next. Today's second Poland's most magical palaces. Książ Castle. Today's second Poland's most magical palaces. Woyal Royal Castle. Rising above the Vistula River in Krakow, Woyal Royal Castle is one of Poland's greatest symbols of royalty, history, and national identity. For over 500 years, it served as the residence of Polish kings, evolving from an 11th century complex into a magnificent Renaissance royal residence. Its architecture combines Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles, while the complex features the royal apartments, staterooms, crown treasury, armory, and the famous Woyal Cathedral, where Polish kings were crowned and buried. Fun facts: Woyal is considered one of Poland's most important historical sites. According to legend, a dragon once lived beneath Woyal Hill, and its cave remains a popular attraction. The cathedral is also the final resting place of many Polish kings, heroes, and poets. Camera with flash photography and travel tips. Capture Woyal from the Vistula River at sunset, explore its Renaissance courtyard, and walk around Woyal Hill for spectacular cinematic views. Allow 4 to 6 hours to explore the castle, cathedral, museums, and Dragon's Den. Booking popular interior sections in advance is recommended. 3 o'clock opening hours generally range around 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m, although individual sections vary seasonally. 9:30 to 11 a.m. offers fewer crowds and softer light, while May to September provides the best overall visiting conditions. Admission tickets range from approximately 50 to 80 PLN, 1,150 rupees to 1,840 rupees, for adults, 30 to 50 PLN, 690 rupees to 1,150 rupees, for children and students, and 40 to 70 PLN, 920 rupees to 1,610 rupees, for seniors, depending on the sections visited. Moneybag daily travel costs range from 220 to 350 PLN, 5,000 rupees to 8,000 rupees for budget travelers to 1,000 plus PLN to 3,000 plus for luxury travelers. Train Krakow-Glony railway station connects easily to the old town, while trams and buses can take you to the Voil stop in around 10 to 15 minutes for approximately 4 to 6 PLN. Taxis from the airport or city center take around 20 to 30 minutes, while Voil is only a 10 to 15 minute walk from Krakow Old Town. Clapperboard coming up next. Poland's most magical palace is Książ Castle.
Today's first Poland's most magical palace is the Royal Castle in Warsaw. Standing proudly in Castle Square, the Royal Castle is a powerful symbol of Poland's resilience, royal heritage, and rebirth. Its origins date back to the 14th century, and it later became the official residence of Polish kings and the seat of parliament. The castle combines magnificent Baroque and neoclassical architecture with grand royal apartments, the throne room, marble room, canaletto room, and richly decorated halls featuring priceless artworks, including paintings by Rembrandt. Destroyed during World War II, it was rebuilt using original fragments, historical records, and surviving artworks. Today, it forms part of the UNESCO-listed Historic Center of Warsaw. Fun facts: millions of original bricks and fragments were recovered during its reconstruction. The famous Canaletto paintings were also instrumental in recreating Warsaw's historic appearance after the war. Camera with flash photography and travel tips, Castle Square with Sigismund's column offers the iconic view, while sunset creates a spectacular golden glow over the old town. Explore the richly decorated royal interiors and surrounding old town streets for cinematic shots. Allow around 2 to 3 hours for the castle and old town. 3 o'clock the castle is generally open around 10 am to 5 pm, although individual sections can vary. May to September offers pleasant weather, while 10 am to 12 pm is ideal for quieter exploration. Sunset is best for cinematic Castle Square views. Admission tickets are approximately 40 to 60 PLN, 920 rupees to 1380 rupees for adults, 25 to 40 PLN, 575 rupees to 920 rupees for students and children, and 30 to 50 PLN, 690 rupees to 1150 rupees for seniors. Moneybag daily travel costs range from 200 to 350 PLN, 4,600 rupees to 8,000 rupees for budget travelers to 900 plus PLN, to 700 plus for luxury travelers. Train from Warsaw Centralna railway station, the old town can be reached in around 15 to 20 minutes. Public transport to Stare Miasto takes around 10 to 20 minutes, while taxis from the airport or city center take approximately 20 to 30 minutes. From Warsaw Old Town, the Royal Castle is just a 5 to 10 minute walk away. Clapperboard, and this brings us to the end of our Poland Palace journey. Crown polish. So that was the end of episode 145 of Dynamic Expeditions. From the magnificent Royal Castle in Warsaw to the legendary Royal Castle in Krakow, Poland's breathtaking palaces revealed centuries of royal history, powerful monarchs, timeless architecture, and the unforgettable legacy of the Polish crown. Crown European Castle Polish. Tell me in the comments which Polish palace amazed you the most. The most interesting comment gets pinned. Push pin. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications bell because episode 146 is coming soon with more incredible destinations from around the world. New journeys, every day at 7:45 p.m. only on Dynamic Expeditions. Globe showing Europe Africa sparkles.